Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about how to organize your product categories. This is going to be a quick video for you today. So my name is Carrie if you're new here to my channel. I am an artist on Creative Fabrica and I create tutorials for artists and sellers who want to sell their work on Creative Fabrica. If videos like this interest you, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload videos just like this. And before we get into it, I just wanted to do a disclaimer that the process that I use to organize my product categories is completely my own, and you can take these ideas and run with them and create your own product categories. But I'm just showing you briefly of how I do mine. And hopefully this will inspire you and give you some ideas of how to organize yours. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, we're on my spreadsheet. Categories for products on Creative Fabrica. Now, as I mentioned before, this is completely up to you. This is what I do for my products and my business. But hopefully this tutorial is going to give you some ideas of how you can organize your products and what categories and also the prices, because I find the prices are very important too. So to begin with, I have products that I've put on here. So I have digital scrapbooking paper set, and these are non-seamless. That means that if my customers use them, they don't just blend into each other from edge to edge. They don't do that. This is more like scrapbooking paper that you would buy at a craft store, and you just get the paper, and what you see is what you get. With this one though, digital seamless paper pack, that means they can use these digital products to create wallpaper, fabric, tote bags. So this is merchandise that they can create from these because it is repeatable. So I don't want to get these two similar products confused or mixed up. So with my non-seamless, and these would be like paper packs, I put them in my backgrounds. And depending on how many I create, so 8-pack or 10 or 12 or 16, 20, will depend on the prices that I put. Now for me, I go by twos. I just keep on bumping it up by twos with every single one. A good practice to start would be to go on Creative Fabrica, do your own research, and see what other artists have for their scrapbooking, digital scrapbooking paper as compared to a pattern pack. What you want to be careful with your prices is that you don't want to do something that, say like an 8-pack, and I did it for $20. That's really high. That's and from a comparison to what other artists who only create an 8-pack of digital paper, $20 is ridiculous. It's just too high. I wouldn't do an 8-pack of paper for no more than like between $4 and $6. But once again, that is up to you. You are the artist. You get to choose the price. I'm just showing you what I do for mine, and I feel very comfortable keeping these prices. Later on, if I feel that I want to up my prices, then I can always do that. The wonderful thing about Creative Fabrica is that you always can go back into your products and change the prices of them. So the difference between the paper pack, the scrapbooking paper, and the pattern is that I have them in different categories. So my paper sets are in backgrounds, and my pattern packs, my seamless, are in patterns. And I keep them separate because they can kind of get a little bit confusing, and the use for them can kind of cross over. So for me as an artist, I keep them separate. Fonts, obviously they're in fonts. I create dingbat fonts. My clip art, I've divided up. So if I feel that I want to create some clip art and only do the black and white, and then only do the color and sell them as separate products, then I will do that. So all of my clip art I put into my illustrations category, and once again the pricing depends on how large those packs are, what I include in the sets, and how intricate those sets are. So it should be a higher because you're giving them and you're offering them more within that pack. My printable stickers, So depending on how many stickers, how long it takes me to, I put those into object, my object category. And once again, my prices are as follows depending on how many and how big. Do I sell the individual stickers, or do I just create sheets? It just really depends. This is the printable planner sticker sheets that I create. Once again, because they're stickers, I put them in my object category and price them accordingly. Now, for coloring book pages, you can put this into KDP interiors, or there is also categories that are specifically coloring pages and books for kids and coloring pages and books for adults. I would rather streamline it, and if that's what I'm making, that's what I put in. Even though it's a KDP interior, any other interior, KDP interiors, I would put in this. So if I decide to create this book belongs to, and I want to put that into interiors, then I will. But basically, you want to put your products into the correct categories that Creative Fabrica offers to you. If I make any frame page borders, those are my illustrations. If I create anything for, say, junk journalists, I put them in crafts category. Junk journal kits, same thing, crafts. Card creator, crafts. And sublimations, I put those into graphic templates. What these are is that they are graphics that you create for merch designers that go on t-shirts. Because those are specifically for merch, I put them as graphic templates. So far, that's all I have on my spreadsheet, but you can add more. And like I said, you can change this to anything that you want because you are the artist, and whatever you feel that you want to put your product in the categories. So I hope this video has brought value to you. Once again, if you enjoy tutorials like this, please like and subscribe and click the notification button so that you're notified the next time I upload videos. So I hope you have a great day, and we will see you next time.